This is Brian Putt. In this video, I'd like to demonstrate how one can capture portions of the S-curve of the distribution based on certain parameters. So in this case, what I'm assuming is I have a distribution for revenue that's made up of number of items sold. That's a normal distribution with a mean of 30 and a standard deviation of 10. And then there are three prices: $4, $7, and $12. And when I multiply those two together, I get a total revenue distribution, which is shown here. What I'd like to show is what does the distribution look like for the 4, 7, and 12. So what we're going to do is we're going to generate three output variables: low price, mid price, and high price. The low price will be equal to, if this price here is equal to 4, then I want to pick up the revenue. Otherwise, I'm going to give it a 0. This has been bugging me. Let's just change this to a percentage. Excuse me, to a comma here. All right. And then we can copy this down here. And let's see, the G7 is going to go over here to this number here. And we'll copy it down one more time. To here. And now this is going to go over to here. And I have my three variables. We'll call this D low, D high, D mid, and D high. And we'll define them as output variables. Okay. We're going to take these three variables, go to SIPmath graphs, and get cumulative graphs here for them. We now have these three graphs. Let's just go look at them this way. And what we need to do is get rid of these lines here. Now that I've got the graphs, and this is important to do the graphs first, I can now go back and change these formulas. And rather than saying 0, I'm going to say quote underscore quote. Quote underscore quote. And quote underscore quote. And you'll see now my three graphs, I got rid of that vertical line. And what happened to my revenue line? My total revenue. I lost it. Okay, we'll make another one. SIPmath graphs. Cumulative. Okay. So here's what I want to do. I'm going to take this graph. I'm going to cut it, paste it into here. I'm going to cut that, put it into here. Cut this one, put it into here. And now I have my three graphs. I need the legend here. So this is our value. Okay. And we have our low price, mid price, high price, and the sum of the three. I can come in here and I can change these probabilities. Let's say a 30% here, and a 20% here. And you can see that I have the graph is updated. So we can call this impact price. So I hope you find this useful. Thank you.